Hi everyone, I'm Niharika and I am meeting face to face with JRF Piyush. So first of all, heartiest congratulations to you for JRF in Political Science. Okay, तो मैं बताना चाहती हूँ पीयूष के आए हैं 262 मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 300 इन हिज पेपर 1 एंड पॉलिटिकल साइंस, जिसमें से पेपर 1 के आपके कितने हैं
42 क्वेश्चंस करेक्ट।
42 क्वेश्चंस करेक्ट, दैट इज 84 मार्क्स। तो आई एम श्योर मैं और बहुत सारे लर्नर्स इसका सक्सेस जानना चाहते हैं कि यस आपने ये कैसे स्कोर किया।
सबसे पहले तो मैं निहारिका मैम का ही थैंक यू करना चाहूँगा क्योंकि आई हैव बीन इन टच विद निहारिका मैम फॉर ओवर 1.5 year. I have been listening to her classes, I have been listening to her marathons. I am a big fan of her tricks which she has taught in the class and those tricks are helpful in the exam as well. So जब मैं एग्ज़ाम दे रहा था and when I saw the question which ma'am has taught us and I was like कि ये तो मैम ने मुझे पढ़ाया ही है, it is mentioned in my notes and the tricks which ma'am told us उस time पर the first person you remember is your educator and at that time I had you in my mind. So I'm grateful that I got the opportunity to learn from you, to grasp the skills which I need at this stage of my life, and I am forever grateful that I got the chance to meet you from online to offline. So yeah,
In fact, I feel more honored to meet you today. मतलब you know live पे तो हम सब मिलते ही रहते हैं, but yeah, live face to face मिलना is a very big opportunity. So मतलब मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि आपकी एग्जैक्ट स्ट्रैटेजी क्या थी, क्या आपने नोट्स बनाए, क्या आपने रिविजन किया, कैसे किया आपने?
जी, सबसे पहले तो जैसा कि मैं ये बताना चाहूँगा कि सबसे पहले मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि what you have to do is keep the content minimum and you have to revise it maximum. So whatever the educator is teaching to you, telling or explaining to you, it is more than enough. So keep the notes crisp and do maximum revision as you can. For DI and for maths, you have to do is practice yourself. Be consistent with yourself, be honest with yourself. It's not a big task. If I can do it, you can also do it. You just need a better guide, and I'm thankful to God that I got the chance to study from educators like Niharika ma'am, from Rajat sir, and the whole Unacademy team as well. So I'll forever be grateful to them. Just what you have to do is make the notes crisp, and whatever has been taught in your class, it is the analysis of 10 to 12 years. So the teachers know us. So the teachers know that what is coming in the exam, what is the new trend, what is the pattern, what the paper is demanding, or what the exam setter is expecting from us. So that's what the teachers knows, and whatever they are telling you, it is more than enough. So just have faith in God, do lots of hard work, and I wish you all a very successful life for whatever lies ahead of you.
Okay, that was very great tips for you, from you for the future aspirants who are preparing for JRF. आप भी इतना ज़्यादा एम कर सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैम 22, मैम 25 इतने क्वेश्चंस करेक्ट गए। जहाँ पे 42 और 46 स्कोर्स मेरे बैच से आ रहे हैं, वहाँ पे और आप भी इतना ज़्यादा स्कोर कर सकते हैं। So I really feel very very happy to meet you.
And just a thing to add on,
yes.
I scored 30 questions correct in my first attempt and in my second attempt as well out of 50. So the journey from 30 to 42 was not easy,
exactly.
But with practice, but with better mentorship, I did it. You can also do it. It is not a big task. Just be consistent and just listen to what the educator is saying. Just be in touch with them. Just tell your problems. They'll handle it very nicely. They'll tell you where you are suffering and where you can improve yourself.
I have one question from you. Like you said that previously you have scored 30 out of 50.
Yes, ma'am.
Some of the learners have this misconception that if they have scored 30 out of 50, they are well good in their paper 1 and they do not need to do anything. उनको और कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। क्या ये true है या फिर आपको और कितने efforts ज़्यादा लगाने पड़ते हैं?
Exactly. So for me it was paper 1 was the master stroke. I was getting 80 plus questions correct in political science. Everyone has command over his or her subject. So but if you have to go from net to JRF, you should have command in your paper 1, which is the major school board, because it's a major score booster. So when I was getting 30 questions correct only, I felt a bit disappointed. But in my fourth semester, I kept my focus on paper 1. I practiced a lot of mocks. I did a lot of practice of DI, of whatever things where I was suffering.
Yeah.
So for this, I had to do the PYQs of 2020 from 2020 till 2025. Not of political science, of home science, of history, whatever, because paper 1 is common for all.
Yeah.
So what you have to do is practice all the works there. Then you'll get a broad idea. You'll get a broad idea of what the paper is demanding from you. And then when you are suffering from that concept, consult your teacher, consult your educator. He or she is there for you. He or she will guide you. He or she will show you the right path to achieve the success. So this was my strategy.
Yeah, so that was a great meet with you, and again congratulations for your AIR, and wish you all the best for your future, and wish you also all the best for your JRF.
Thank you.